Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we will talk about how to invest. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over understanding investment basics and types of investments. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Investing can seem like a daunting task, especially if you're just starting out. But understanding how to invest is crucial for building wealth and securing your financial future. In this video, we'll break down the essentials of investing, exploring various strategies that can help you make informed decisions. Whether you're looking to grow your savings, save for retirement, or simply want to make your money work harder for you, we've got you covered. We'll dive into different types of investments such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, and discuss the risks and rewards associated with each. You'll learn about the importance of diversification and how it can protect your portfolio from market volatility. Plus, we'll share tips on setting realistic financial goals and creating a personalized investment plan that aligns with your lifestyle. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of effective investment techniques that can empower you to take control of your financial destiny. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of successful investing and start your journey toward financial independence, stick around. Let's make investing not just informative, but also engaging and enjoyable. Understanding investment basics. To embark on your investment journey, it's essential to grasp some fundamental concepts. Let's start with key terms. Stocks represent ownership in a company, allowing you to benefit from its growth and profits. Bonds, on the other hand, are loans you give to governments or corporations, which pay you interest over time. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, making it easier for beginners to invest. Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial in the investment world. Risk tolerance refers to how much risk you're willing to take with your investments. Some people are comfortable with high-risk investments that can yield higher returns, while others prefer safer options with more modest gains. Knowing where you stand on this spectrum will help you choose the right investment strategy. When it comes to potential returns, different types of investments offer varying levels of profit. Historically, stocks have provided higher returns over the long term compared to bonds, but they also come with greater volatility. Mutual funds can offer a balanced approach, combining the benefits of both stocks and bonds. By understanding these basics, you'll be better equipped to make informed investment decisions that align with your financial goals. Types of investments. When it comes to investing, there are several asset classes to consider, each with its own unique characteristics. First up are equities or stocks, which represent ownership in a company. Investing in stocks can offer significant growth potential, especially over the long term. However, they also come with higher volatility and risk, meaning prices can fluctuate dramatically. Next, we have fixed income investments, such as bonds. These are generally considered safer than stocks, as they provide regular interest payments and return your principal at maturity. While bonds can offer stability, their returns are typically lower than those of equities, especially in a low interest rate environment. Real estate is another popular investment option. Investing in property can provide rental income and potential appreciation in value. However, it requires a larger initial investment and ongoing management, which can be a drawback for some investors. As you explore these various investment options, it's essential to consider your financial goals. Are you looking for long-term growth, steady income, or a mix of both? By aligning your investment choices with your objectives and risk tolerance, you can create a diversified portfolio that suits your needs and helps you achieve your financial aspirations. Creating an investment plan. Developing a personalized investment strategy is a crucial step toward achieving your financial goals. The first step is to set clear financial objectives. Are you saving for retirement, a home, or your child's education? Defining these goals will help you determine how much you need to invest and the time frame for your investments. Next, let's talk about diversification. This strategy involves spreading your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Diversification helps minimize risk by ensuring that a downturn in one area doesn't significantly impact your entire portfolio. By holding a mix of investments, you can achieve a more stable return over time. Once your investment plan is in place, it's essential to regularly review and adjust it. Market conditions, personal circumstances, and financial goals can change, so staying proactive is key. Set a schedule to evaluate your portfolio, perhaps quarterly or annually, and make adjustments as needed. This could mean rebalancing your asset allocation or shifting funds to align with new goals. By following these steps, you can create a robust investment plan that not only reflects your financial aspirations, but also adapts to the ever-changing landscape of the investment world. Common investment mistakes. As a new investor, it's easy to fall into certain pitfalls that can hinder your financial success. One of the most significant dangers is emotional investing. Making decisions based on fear or excitement can lead to impulsive actions, such as selling during a market downturn or buying into a hype-driven stock. This often results in losses that could have been avoided with a more rational approach. Another common mistake is attempting to time the market. Many investors believe they can predict market movements and buy or sell at the perfect moment. However, this strategy is incredibly risky and often leads to missed opportunities. Instead of trying to time the market, focus on a long-term investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals. Thorough research is essential before making any investment. Understanding the fundamentals of a company, its industry, and overall market conditions can help you make informed decisions. Finally, staying informed and educated about market trends is crucial. Regularly reading financial news, following market analyses, and learning from experienced investors can enhance your knowledge and confidence. By avoiding these common mistakes and committing to continuous learning, you can navigate the investment landscape more effectively and work toward achieving your financial objectives. In conclusion, in this video, we've explored the essential concepts of investing, from understanding different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate to developing a personalized investment plan. We discussed the significance of setting clear financial goals, the role of diversification in minimizing risk, and the importance of conducting thorough research before making investment decisions. We also highlighted common pitfalls to avoid, such as emotional investing and market timing, which can derail your financial journey. By staying informed and educated about market trends, you can make more confident and strategic choices. Now that you have a solid foundation in investment strategies, it's time to take informed steps toward your financial future. Remember, investing is a journey, and the sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content on investing and personal finance. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these tips. Together, we can build a community of informed investors ready to take control of their financial destinies. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care